Life actually begins when you leave your bubbles and enter the world. Before that, let's just enjoy your moments, starting with your life at university. At the beginning, things aren't very bright and easy. Classes, lectures, and even homework, everything doesn't seem to like you at all. So you think this is it, student's life. Until someone makes you think there are definitely more to it. Friends who surely won't let you do stupid things alone. Teachers who are supportive, dedicated, who would guide you through obstacles to achieve your life ambitions. Together, teachers and friends color your world, make you cherish your every moment in university life.